All right. I basically hacked this UV-5R, replaced the call button, this, which used to be right there, with a jumper on the board. Pulled off the switch, which is right here now. Surface mount switch. And had to disassemble it completely. A little nervous there, but it seems to work. And now we're going to test if you press the call button for 3 seconds, you get an alarm function, which will start transmitting an alarm code on, well, an alarm sound on 143.950. So let's try a 3-second press on this thing, or short, I should say. Whoops. And there we go. So transmitting. Now just a local sound. Transmitting. And we'll continue to do this, I think, until it either receives a transmission or runs out of battery, or you key it up. There's a hand, I mean, you can repress that button or push to talk or to cancel it. So that's it.